is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the home screen on your LG TV so you can completely bypass this and go to your last input. Could be like cable, or it could be like your Amazon Fire Stick or something like that. Let's go on over to settings right here and select this. Otherwise, press it on your remote. And I'm going to go to settings here. And then I'm going to go to where it says general. And go to the right and go on down, scroll down, go to where it says system. And then go to additional settings. And now let's go to home settings right here. And we have power on screen. So let's select this. And we have two different options. So we can completely turn off the home screen and stop that from launching by switching to recent input. Then if our last input was our cable TV, well, it's going to launch to that recent input if we just select it right there. So you'll completely bypass this. If we hover over this, it says select the screen to display when the TV is turned on. If you usually use apps to enjoy content, home is recommended. And if you usually watch live TV, recent input is recommended. Then we have home promotion. You can set to show or hide sponsored advertisement to appear in the home screen. So if I turn this on, there should be some sort of ad or something in the background. And then we have content recommendations right here as well. So maybe I want that on. You can see down here for like the LG channels that showed up. So you can completely turn that on or off. Now it just says edit app lists and stuff, which might be more convenient. I don't like stuff being recommended for me. I just like going to YouTube or something like that and completely bypassing anything on here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.